Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm out here at Pebble Beach at the U.S. Open, being joined by Assistant Superintendent Bubba Wright. Bubba, congratulations on the conditions out here. You guys have got this place dialed in.
Yeah, thank you. It's been some great prep work for the guys, and they've really knocked it out of the park. So,
talk to me about the volunteer force you have here. I know there's a lot of guys who obviously love to come out and help you guys out. How far and wide are they from, and how big is the force?
Yeah, so we have about 80 volunteers. We're real fortunate. We got a lot of former interns here joining us. I think it's 13 different countries, 12 different states, and 23 from the great state of California. So we're pretty lucky.
Now, what would be your guess that guys actually have direct relationships to Pebble?
Yeah, direct relationship, I would say about 40%. Guys that we know personally, guys that used to work here and have come back to help us out for the week. So we're pretty fortunate.
You guys are kind of wrapping up, was it like an 18-month streak here of just, event after event after event? Can you give me that kind of time frame of what you were doing and what's it feel like to be now to here?
Yeah, so really the last 9 months, started with the U.S. Amateur last August. So it's kind of a trial run for us for the U.S. Open with course conditions, looking at firmness on the green, speeds, and the next week we had the Concours d'Elegance, which is our car show. Mm-hmm. So we were tested back-to-back weeks. We went to the first Tee Open, which is a Champions Tour event. We had the TaylorMade Pebble Beach Invitational, followed by the AT&T in February, and now we're culminating with the U.S. Open. So it's a great feeling to finally be here, and all your hard work is out on the golf course right now. So it's great.
What's your expectations for this upcoming Monday? What are you going to be doing?
I'll be doing a lot of sleeping.
Good.
That's for sure. Hopefully, we'll see. barring any playoffs.
No, we won't use that word. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Well, Bubba, thanks so much. Congratulations again.
Yeah, great. Appreciate it.
Everybody, this is Bubba Wright. He's the Assistant Superintendent. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for checking in with us at Golfdom TV out here at the 2019 U.S. Open.